2025 Lexus IS 500. Just came off the showroom floor. This is what it sounds like before. I think he's trying to figure out. Yeah, it doesn't change much, even in sport. There's no valves, nothing on it? Yeah, there's no valves, nothing. That's crazy. Yeah. Again? Here's sound decibels. One more. Yeah, he wants it louder. I don't blame him. It's too quiet. Stay tuned, guys. 2025 Lexus IS 500 V8. 2025 Lexus IS 500 F Sport. Naturally aspirated V8. Beautiful Lexus. Look at this. I love it. Only got 1,500 miles on it. He's like, I can't take it. It's too quiet. And he's a soldier, guys, so we really appreciate his service. We hooked him up as much as we can. But here's the cats on it, right there, right there. Then we took off the secondary cats and replaced them with high flow cats, right there. Then put an X pipe too. I don't know if you guys can see it, it's under here. There's an X pipe under there. Then we also took out the rest of the system, which was like 1.5. Disgusting. Disgusting! We replaced it with high flowing 2.5-inch pipe. But here's the Magnapacks. They're on our website at exhaustaddicts.com. Here's the part number on them. Also, we have merch there, guys. So hit us up and get some merch. You see it on his shoulder? That's the merch. Oh, he's flashing it. I love it. 2.5-inch all the way back. And then we finished it off with quad tips. Little angle to it because that's how the IS 500s come. Look at that. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer system. That's everything we took off. There's the resonators, the gaskets, the regular cats, and all the mufflers. And as you guys can see, it's like 1 3/4 pipe, which is like, why? It's disgusting. Disgusting! It needs to be at least 2.5, like we did with it right there. It's so much cleaner and nicer. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Guys, Lexus IS 500. Here we go. Oh, so much better. Yeah, it's a lot better. Before it was nothing. You couldn't even hear it. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 103. Put it in sport. Let's see if it changes. So this is sport mode now. Go ahead. Yeah, it changed a little bit. Again. All right, go ahead and back it up. We are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee, right down the street from Skyline and Due West Avenue. Oh, it sounds so clean. 2025 IS 500. Let you guys hear on the inside. Guys, 2025 Lexus IS 500 with Magnaflow Magnapack, catback system, high flow cats, X pipe, and quad tips. Here we go. Damn, that sucker flies. Woo! Be smooth. Enjoy, guys.